Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick reminder before we get started to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone else you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 98. We start with this box. We're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 7. 3 here, so 5, 7. That means that our 3 has to be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 6. 2 and 6 here. Makes this our 9. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 3. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. If we look at this top row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 8. 2 and 8 here. Makes this our 5, 8, 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 7. 3 here makes this our 1, 3. That 7 makes this our 5, 7, 5, 7. For this box now, we're only missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. And for this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this bottom row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. And to finish out this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.